Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna answer the question, can you get the Threads badge back on Instagram? If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now let's go over on whether you can recover the Threads badge on Instagram. Now, if you are on Instagram and you have the Threads badge, it shows that you've signed up on the new Threads app by Meta, and it shows the little badge on your profile. I'm gonna walk you through the steps. So, open your Instagram and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now you see right under your name a Threads badge. Then you have signed up for the app. If you don't, then just go ahead and download the Threads app, sync your Instagram account, and it will show up right here. You can go ahead and tap on it. Now here's the hide badge at the very bottom. However, it says, are you sure? You can't add it back to your profile once you remove it. Now the question is, once you remove it, can you just get the badge back? And the answer as of now is no. Instagram does not allow you to get it back in any way because this is just a temporary thing. Because Meta just wants all these users from Instagram to go over to Threads, and this badge is basically one of their ads or marketing promotions for Threads. So anyway, if you want it completely removed, feel free to tap the hide badge, but if you're not sure, just leave it so, because you cannot get it back. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.